guys, just back it up. We only have one more after Savannah. So if you don't want to smell
Can we race together?
Yes, you can race to get sissies. Savannah's getting ready to launch her new rocket design with an A engine.
There's another rocket.
Yep. Ready, honey? Stand in my shade. Let's watch Sissy launch her rocket. I hope it's a good one.
Let's hope it's a naughty one.
You hope it's a naughty one? Oh, it's a pretty blue. Oh, I like her rocket.
Okay, are we ready? In 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, whistle!
Watch careful and the pair. Yes, nice. Let Savannah get it, guys. Let her get it. Excellent job. Okay, next.
Why are you going so high?
My God.
Wow, hers went really high.
My God.
I want to take cover.
Nice job, everyone. Nice job. Oh, you know what? If you want, we can make it another one. To put out for home.
Mrs. Keller, which one is this?
This is an A. It's our last rocket of the day.
High five, buddy. Wasn't it fun to see Sissy launch her rocket? Oh, you didn't even see your rocket launch?
No. William.
You know what I was just thinking?
What?
Even though your rocket is so beautiful, you need a color that contrasts with the sky. Because when you launched it, it was really hard to follow yours because it was the same color as the sky, that beautiful light blue.